All right, hello, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Kayla. Ben will join us shortly, and today we are taking a ferry from Stockholm, Sweden, all the way to Helsinki, Finland. If you've been following our trip, we've only had 2 videos so far, I think, and what you don't know is we ended up missing a day in Finland due to some health issues, but we were able to get those taken care of, and Ben is headed back to the hotel now. I checked us out, and hopefully we can grab an Uber right away and head over to the ferry because it is 3:33. Our ferry leaves at 4:45, and we are supposed to be there at least 20 minutes early, and it's about a 15-minute drive. So we need to definitely rush a little bit to get there and get right on board. Also, just a disclaimer that Ben and I are both working on about 1 hour of sleep. Well, Ben maybe 0, me about 1 hour. So if we were a little mellowed out this vlog, that's why. We probably will hopefully go to bed early on the ferry tonight after we do a little exploring, get a good night's sleep, so that we are ready to explore Helsinki tomorrow.
So the ferry's open for boarding, and we got our boarding cards, so we are going to hop on and check it out. Take you along with us.
Message to all passengers traveling with Silja to Helsinki via Maria. Please proceed to the gate. The gate will be closed in 15 minutes.
Ooh, I think we just passed through the gate. So it looks like for this ferry, they close the gate about 15 minutes before the ship leaves. They say to get here at least 20 minutes early, so you can get on the ship. Really, there's nobody around, so I'm wondering if everybody got here early and is like on the ship and we're a little late. I think we might be mad late, but we're walking down the pathway to the ship. It's a long pathway.
I was gonna try to give them a peek of the boat. It would be us to be one of the last people to avoid. We got very lucky.
We made it. We made it. I've never been on a cruise before, but I imagine this boat is fairly similar to that. Maybe a little smaller.
Much quieter.
And much quieter.
I told you, it's us.
Nice little room to have on a boat. Got a little bench, got a TV. We have a window. Nice. Not that you can super see it, but it's a harbor. Nice big bed. Even has a chair over there. Bathroom tour, shall we?
Sure.
Oh. Where's the light? Where's the light? Is there no light in here?
There is.
Lights. Should I clap? Maybe they're clap lights. Oh.
There you go.
Nice. Big mirror, a sink, toilet, and a shower. Oh, Ben, you might have to duck a little bit in the shower, but that's okay.
That's okay.
Towels look nice and fluffy, though. All right. lights on the outside. All right, it's a great little room, especially for just one night here on the cruise. on the ferry. I'm honestly so excited for this ferry. It's one of the pieces of this trip I've been most looking forward to. So I'm really happy we were able to make it work. And yeah, we're gonna settle in and then we're probably gonna go explore the ship and then book this dinner tonight. So we should figure that out.
I have to find out what time I booked it for now that I like questioning myself.
Whoops. All right, we'll see you later. Yeah, definitely. You see my hair just.
Yeah. I've never seen a like snowy cruise ship. That's wild.
They kind of remind me of the
Moving. They're moving.
like the Japanese show. Like, I'll take that tomorrow morning for sure.
Pays for expensive breakfast. She'll just take the coffee shop instead.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit of a mistake.
What?
I said I bought us an expensive breakfast.
Oh, I'll take the breakfast and then maybe
And
before
then-
I get
and the
out,
coffee.
maybe I'll get coffee too.
Perfect. So I've been wanting to try this princess cake, so when Kayla gets back, we'll break into it. Kayla eats a salad, and I'm eating a princess cake.
My little princess.
Judge me if you wish.
So I got the loaded baked potatoes, but it's with like salmon. And then got the barbecue pork bao buns.
How nice of them. That's the biggest lollipop I think I've ever seen. Look at all this movement stuff.
418. So we've explored the tax-free. Wow, this lighting is rough.
Harsh. Oh, it's better this way though, so that's good. I look nice.
We've explored the tax-free shop and got some cologne for Ben.
Delayed
and,
Christmas gifts.
and some face wash. It's hard to find. Sometimes men don't have it fair and they don't have like great brands available to them. So it's always nice to like find them when we go to other places.
I was told that in Scandinavian, like skincare is a big thing. So
And now we're getting a bubble tea to share, and Ben got a cinnamon bun.
need a better sound.
Need my better sound. I didn't know that you could do bubble tea with lactose-free milk, because I'm lactose-free. And this is like the greatest thing because I haven't had bubble tea in a long time because of that.
Also, I'm not gonna lie, these are some of the coolest clocks I've ever seen, especially when they tick over.
Good morning. We had a good night's sleep. Well, I did. I don't know about Ben, but we had breakfast this morning at the Italian restaurant. They had a buffet breakfast, and honestly, it was really, really good. One of the better buffets that we've had. And now we're up here on the 12th deck, outside in the cold. It's actually like 9 well, 8:30 a.m. here, but it is still dark, and we are closing in on Helsinki. We are only about 2 hours away, so the only thing that's harder than walking on ice is walking on ice when the boat is moving. So that's fun, and we'll walk down here on the ice and check out the rest of the boat here. It is really cold out here, but nice.
I bet you this place is great in the summer. You get to just hang out here on the back deck and the sun is up almost, 24 hours a day. It's great. But in the winter, it's a little rough, especially with the boat moving and it being like 26 degrees Fahrenheit out. And, probably the boat moving at like 20 miles an hour. It feels like -10 right now.
It totally does. It feels so cold.
Yeah, it's freezing. Even with a heavy jacket on, like I can still feel the wind through the jacket. So this is a Gore-Tex jacket, so it shouldn't be doing that. So it's just that cold out. All right, I think we're gonna go back now.
All right, so let me tell you a little bit about this boat that we're on, or ship, I guess. It's called the Serenade, and it's 203 meters in length. There are about 12 decks on this boat and can carry about 2,800 people and has over 900 cabins. That's quite a lot. So, and can carry like 500 cars. Not a small boat. It's definitely the biggest boat I've ever been on. Ben probably not, because he's taken some cruises, but they do have live shows and music every night. Last night when we were down having dinner, they did have a band there, and they also have like a club area, I think, that has entertainment, things like that. They have at least 5 restaurants, maybe more. Five sounds about right, ranging from Italian, Nordic, a buffet, lobster, grill, and there's more of like not a fast food, but like a Korean, easy, quick bites to eat. They have a lot of shopping. They have a luxury shop. They have some clothing shops. They also have a super duty-free store in the downstairs that has quite a lot of stuff. It's mostly skincare, colognes, perfumes, alcohol, and then like treats, like snacks, things like that, drinks. So you have plenty of things to do. So you can book rooms on the ship for less than 100 euros to more than 1,000 euros. So there's quite the variety of rooms here and can pretty much fit almost anybody's budget. So that's really nice. It's gone by very, very fast. We got on last night and left around 5, and then it's 8:30 a.m. and we'll get in around 10 a.m. this morning. So a lot of that time you are sleeping, but I did hear people coming in around midnight last night when I woke up, and so people were partying and kind of having a good time. So that's the Serenade ship. We've really enjoyed it, and we're gonna continue to enjoy it for the next couple hours here, and we'll see you later. Hey Ben, we arrive in 30 minutes.
I still nappy. No, I gotta get up. Just catching up on some sleep.
Yeah, it's been we still haven't adjusted yet, so
I'm like way behind.
I know. We think it's like 2 a.m. right now, so we're a
it's
little,
really rough.
a little rough. All right, I think we gotta get packed up because we arrive in like 30 minutes. time to leave the ship. Leaving the ship. So just for information, they don't deboard like right away, so you can stay in your cabin for a little bit until they give the announcement. I don't do cruises, so I didn't know that. Santa Claus has been on this ship. That's exciting.